Just download it into my regular pictures.
Won't be able to open it if you don't have the program on your computer.
What are you doing?
It's going to say to you, what file do you want to use to open, what program do you want to use to open this file? And then you're going to say,
You two are getting awful friendly.
I want to use
I know you're done. I know you're cut, Lance, but you know.
And it's not going to let you use just any program.
Right.
It's going to say it can't read it.
Can't read
When
it.
I want to open,
Well, it can't read it. It's gonna go straight up to YouTube.
but it has to read it to take it.
It's all done though.
No, it has to be able to open it to send it.
I'll have to see. Well, now that I think I've figured out why I can't send anything and why nothing's going up, and I think we figured it out. So we'll find out here in a little while, because I got 4 videos that I've done with that program, and just waiting to send it up.
Wow. I'm just telling.
Willy Wonka's
Yeah,
transportation.
Exactly. Like Willy Wonka's off. And if you don't have it, you can't do it, can you?
No, I guess not.
Nope. You sure can't. You can't do it if you don't have it.
Oh.
So you gotta see if you have the ability
Big sister picking on a little
to
sister.
use it, if you can transfer it over.
Right.
The other thing is, and this is something Andrew knows better than I do, and he might be able to tell you. If they don't make it,
Yeah.
you might not be sunk. Because there might be a way that you can actually reconfigure what you need to configure to let it work the way it needs to work momentarily.
Right.
But that's Andrew's area. It's nowhere near my area because I don't know.
Right.
When my phone open, I swear and close the computer.
Right.
Close the
Well, I
computer.
might have found out that I'm probably running too many things on just that 600.
I know
Meg-
if I have a game or something that won't open, I just
Mega-
run as administrator and it opens right up.
Mega kill or something or other.
Oh.
Hey, how you doing?
My things don't work.
Uh-huh.
I download it and it won't open the thing. It says cannot or this file or whatever. I just click run as administrator and it'll work just fine. I'll have to look at my phone though.